Hey guys, welcome to part 3. Right now, we're going to turn on the mirror modifier. Should I do it in edit mode or actually, let's do it in edit mode, not object. Mirrors over here. Instead of X, we're going to Z. That sounds about right. This thing's huge. It's an SUV. I expect it to be that big. And then what we can do is, go to object mode. Make sure that everything is in touch. Yes. So I hope. Yes, Mom. 1 minute. Okay. Sorry, guys. That was my mom asking me a question about dinner. Don't mean to interrupt the session. Uh, this one. I don't know, dude. I really don't know. What the heck was I thinking? 438. I'm confused. I'm gonna forget that even happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Same over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nope, not like that, but like this. I don't want these overlapping. So go back over here. All right. Let's go to select. Let's go to faces. Still no ngons. Great. Great for me and great for Blender. Great for Game Gen rules. All right, I'm a rules focused person. So what we're gonna do, press that, dang it. And then we're going to this, and this. Also, these 4 and these over here. Yeah, all of these are fine. Actually, don't window these ones. Go to material, new. So for like shifting in, pressing S and then like X or Y or whatever, that's when you want to scale in or out. I know I said I'm going to manually instruct my viewers. Excuse me. Alpha blend. Always do this with Windows. And then go to opaque. Keep that opaque thing. And then what does the rest do? What do the rest do? Get rid of wireframe. Go to this one right here. That's going to be the windows. I don't know why I did the windows first. And then we're going to do the SUV. So, SUV here. But everything here needs to be white. That's just the default color. Uh, one, nah. Get out of here. Alright. And then, we can, yeah, it's okay. We can do this now. All over here. That looks like the sunroof. But I don't think we should do that one yet. I would stay on the safe side and turn off wireframe. I want to see if I can do it without actually looking at the wireframe. Let's just paint that whole side. Because you never know, right? Looks a lot like a Range Rover or an old Jeep Grand Cherokee from before 2005. Okay. Looks beautiful. There are no bevels yet, which we need to add. So let's get rid of the pictures for now. Let's go to edge. Always use edge for loop cutting, and as well as for beveling. Actually, no, don't use edge mode. Use face mode for beveling. Oh, why I've been so tired lately. I've been up late. I need to stop staying up late. Bad habit. Alright. This whole front clip can be beveled out. That's a pretty face that not only mommy can kiss. Control B. There looks to be a lot of overlapping. That's unfortunate, but I'll keep it this way. That's 3 segments, 0.1 meter. I think that there needs to be a cover here. But there is actually a cover. I just need to paint all these things white. And then what we can do is go back, go to faces by sides. So why are all these faces by sides? What if we just get rid of the vertices altogether? That'll be tricky. Now I'm going to have to how about dissolve vertices? That'll make things easier. Is there still going to be N-gons? Yep, that'll be worse. So you just don't use the dissolve button if you're not experienced. Because I've done that in the past. Not good. Think there's an issue. Yep, I saw inside. But for usability reasons, I'm just going to remove all the vertices. Obviously not all the vertices, but the vertices in the front area that were affected. But first, let me see how long we have left before we can move on to part 4. Alright, 4 more minutes left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. I'm looking carefully in between the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I think I figured out the problem. I added way too many lines. So, just one at a time. Alright, these areas are really what we need to be focused on. But I think I'm going back. But just add one segment only. That'll be 0.04 here. And then we'll see how many faces are on the sides. And we can see the inside too. So I see the problem with the inside, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. No, I don't see any problem. Now let's see if it's affected. Yep, do see a problem. But always delete the vertices before adding in new things. We're running out of time. It's just very difficult to work on this, especially with beveling and all. If it gets past the 14-minute range, then I'll move on. Well, not literally, but from part 3. Blame me for a lot of talking in the video. I'm sorry. But we'll get things done. No worries. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. How long have we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. Let's hope to goodness that there are no engons. Hooray! All right, I'm moving on to part 4. Stay tuned.